what would your first guardrail be?
Data transparency. So in order to predict anything a system does, if we knew about the data, we'd be really well informed. And that's not a norm. It's super easy. Be transparent about the data.
What needs to be done to ensure data transparency?
Right. So there's a lot of documentation proposals out that are really useful and helpful. But for example, where the data is sourced from, what the different kinds of topics covered are, how trustable they are, things like the kinds of toxicity captured in it, the kinds of like scientific facts versus fiction, all these sorts of things can be used to give you essentially distribution. Like think of it as like nutrition labels. What is the content of your data set? That's a really helpful way to think about it. Data sets shouldn't be released without the equivalent of nutrition labels for data.
That's a really interesting point. And Andrew, just quickly your take on this as well, just in about 30 seconds or so, if you can.
Absolutely. Identifying what data is out there, how is it sampled, how is it collected, how is it dispersed, and then from there, putting together a collective group of experts, a task force, the attorneys, the ethicists, the researchers, so that you can have this collective conversation to be able to put some of these changes through.